Jamie here from CLPL's Youth Department. Today we're going to create our own decoupage shoes. I got the idea using this book, Accessory Projects for a Lazy Crafternoon by Stella Fields, which we do have in the Youth Department. For our project, we will need a pair of plain canvas shoes. I bought mine from Hobby Lobby for $5.99. You can purchase yours anywhere. They just need to be made of canvas. You're going to need material or comic book paper or just printed out paper of characters that you want to put on your shoes, Mod Podge, and a sponge paintbrush. If you don't have Mod Podge, you can make your own using glue. If you're going to do that, you need glue and water, so you'll need measuring cups and a paper bowl. You will also want to cover your work surface with a tablecloth or newspaper, something to protect your surface. Once you've gathered everything together, we can start our project. If you aren't able to find any Mod Podge, or if you don't like the smell of it because it does have a very strong smell, you can make your own by using regular school glue and water. You're going to take 1 cup of glue and pour it into a bowl. And you're going to take 3/4 cups of water and add that in, and then you're going to mix it up. I'm going to just use my brush that I'm going to use when I put on my design on my shoes. I'm going to mix that up really good, and then we will be ready to start adding our fabric or our paper, comics, whatever you're going to use to design your shoes. So I'm going to start by taking a little bit of my decoupage glue that I made, and I'm going to put some right on the shoe where I'm going to start adding my design. And I have some paper as well as some fabric. I'm going to start with my fabric and then take the glue mixture and go over that. Make sure there's no air bubbles. I have one there, so I'm going to try to smooth that out. And then I'm going to add, put this right across top of that. You just keep layering and adding to your design until you are happy with your shoe. After you've completed your first shoe, you can do the partner to make your pair and then let them dry for a couple hours. You'll want to put a second coat of decoupage on there after it's dry, and then let that dry for another 2 hours, and then put a third coat. After 3 coats of decoupage, after that coat is dry, they should be ready to wear. I hope you enjoyed our project, and we'll see you next time.